What consistently motivates people to act? We are just beginning to identify a few basic behavior patterns common to most of us through big data collection and analytics. However, assessing and categorizing behavior does not automatically give us the reason why someone chose to take an action. Remember, humans are dynamic, complicated, and motivating us to take any action is hard. But regardless of age or even life circumstance, there is one motivator that is undeniably effective at getting people to do what we want them to do. What consistently motivates people to act? Self-interest. This is not an indictment of humanity. This is who we are, an unalterable part of our nature, and marketing must deal with this fact. What this means in applicable terms is we must offer people something they want or that they think they need in order to get them to buy our offering or into our messaging. Whatever we sell must provide some value or the perception that obtaining it will gratify us. To achieve the greatest possible response rates from every advertising or branding campaign, make sure to address how your offering will benefit your potential users with every marketing effort.